or leader. Well, in politics, we seldom see the truth. It's more of hypocrisy. Doon mo sino katugid sa ato sa tuod, sino maako, sino hindi. But as a politician, also I am as guilty as you are. Ako yung ako na, and I go with Councilor Carabiano. Mayuwag naman yung boss. Kasugit ko yan sa tuod. That's why, kapit pa si Mana, si Mana, Pansubo ng Hollywood, yung tawag niya. All since day, while we are still living, we try to do good. Kung patay ka na, why na yan? Kasi anong pangapangadi si mo? Kaya kung patihan ka lang na ang pangadi, kapit pa kung kinamisahan ka sa simbahan, hindi masaka sa langit, lang yan, makasalang mong bayan eh. Kwarta sa pare na, naglibot blood during All Souls Day. Do you still believe in that? Namisahan ka para na magsaka sa langit ng kalam mo? Simuon yung subong. Because in politics, talaksa ka na makita sa may nagasugid na tuod. That is between objective facts and subjective beliefs. Especially in an era of post-truth, where feelings ang malagsagot ka, especially in selecting ang mga gusto tayo ibutang sa pwesto. You can even equate facts. Ang facts yun, wala na kung may pasanat sa mata nyo, no? Amo na yung kamaturan na ginambal ko last time. I do not know kung na-recall nyo pa. And ang feelings can outweigh facts in the public consciousness. Kaya kung anong nakita nila, usually ako nang kinapatihan nila. Kita nyo sino lang nagdalaog na labanan? Either celebrity ka. Ay gani kasi dito lapit doon nag-numero 12 na. But once he was number 1. Si Bong Revilla was also number 1 at that time. Ruben Padilla, nga idol ni Nini de la Llana, was also number 1. You can rarely hear speeches or what you call that, privilege speech na daw may wisdom na. Pero subong nakita ko sa kay Councilor Sarabia. Daw mataas daw, I think damong ganito kay Chindi siguro eh. So, kung pwede, luwat Councilor Sarabia, medyo bisayahon. Parang ako mismo doon. It is as if you were speaking during the time of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. I want to include your name there, no? Isa ka lang kakita sa buong mo. It was really prepared, no? The three great philosophers, Greek philosophers, whom I can still recall, no? Socrates, tapos panuntungan kay SPA lang mo. Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, and now you include Sarabia. SPAS. Second ka lang kay Brisa, kaya ang atong Filipino philosopher yan, na-recognize later on is Brisa, aside from, of course, Rizal, Del Pilar, and Mabini. No? I can still recall my history. So, I fully support your proposed resolution, and I want to be your co-sponsor. Thank you.
Councilor Ganson, recognize.
Thank you. I just want to commend your colleague, Councilor Sarabia, for standing.